welcome back to my channel. I am not in my normal space right now, and that is because I am in Barcelona, Spain. Why am I in Barcelona, Spain, you may ask? I am studying abroad at Universitat de Pompeu Fabra, and I am in my dorm room right now. It's really great because I am rooming with a friend from SDSU. Her name is Jen, and I've met a lot of cool people already, and I'm just so excited to be here. I have a lot of homework and all of that, but I'm still enjoying my time here, and I'm so excited to share it all with you. So tune in, subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll be updated on all of my adventures, experiences, advice. So comment below anything you'd like to see specifically from me. I'm going on a lot of cool little side trips. I can't wait to share it all with you. All right, without further ado, let's start the vlog. All right, so I am at the airport right now in Orange County, and I'm eating a wrap. That's why my mask is off. But it's like 5, almost 6 a.m. I've been here since 4 a.m. I'm exhausted. I really just want to sleep. I have to stop, so I'm stopping in Atlanta first, and then I'm stopping in New York City, so JFK. I have 2 stops, and then I finally get to Barcelona. It's gonna be a long day. This is Grace. Hi. She's on the study abroad program. Oh wow. Ah, look where we are. Just arrived at my dorm, and it's super cute. It's a little bit small, but I am really happy with it. Barcelona at the beach.
It's not in the refrigerator, what we noticed.
Yeah, what? We're at the supermercado. Oh!
We searched it.
Yeah, avena is oat milk. Let's try it. Hi. Okay, so we are at El Mercat. How do you say that?
El Mercat.
El Mercat. Okay, I'm such a gringo. So bad.
El Mercat de Barcelona.
See, and the fisherman village by our dorm, and we are eating, and I literally haven't eaten for hours, and I need to sleep, but I'm somehow awake. So yeah. Somehow. Tapas! Yeah! Okay, pigeon! Look at the pigeons! I don't like pigeons, but...
So I might as well kept it on.
I just finished adding some decorations. I'm still waiting for my roommate to arrive. Her flight was delayed, or, well, she missed her connection. A lot happened. She's not even gonna get here till like 6 or 7 p.m. Poor girl, because she's probably gonna really be exhausted. I'm exhausted. I barely got any sleep last night because my flight was at 6:45 a.m. But I slept on the plane a little bit, which was good. So I added some photos. I'm trying to make it a little homey, and it's super cute. I like the lighting when it's golden hour. I didn't film that, but it's really nice. I think we're gonna all hang out, the girls and I that I met so far, and we're gonna have a toast with some cava brut, and yeah, have a great night. And then we're probably gonna get dinner at like 9 p.m. because that's when they eat here. It's so fun. I'm so excited. Woo!
There it is.
Good morning from Barcelona, or Barcelona. I am exhausted. I woke up in the middle of the night and it was like 3 a.m. and I couldn't fall back asleep for like a few hours. But I think my body's gonna adjust soon. It usually does, it just takes a couple days. So our apartment's all set up and everything. We unpacked last night and this morning I'm going to orientation. Everyone else, or pretty much everyone else, and including my roommate, is taking a Spanish placement test right now. So they had to get up at like 8 or 7 a.m. to meet downstairs. But I'm just gonna try and immerse myself in the culture here and practice my Spanish without taking a Spanish class. It just was like 6 units and I didn't really need it, so. I have about like 20 minutes still have to go downstairs and meet our coordinator. Her name's Maria and she's super sweet. And now I'm eating some breakfast and gonna head down. Here's my outfit for the day. It's actually really cold outside right now. It's like 47 degrees. It's the morning, I guess, that's why, and it's winter, but let's hope it heats up soon. I'm a Southern Californian at heart.
The cafeteria there downstairs is one now. So this is for the public classes.
Is in the case because these are very important programs for you.
What?
Stories and then like a lot of different buildings.
Hey! Hi, this is my roommate. I don't think I introduced you. Hey! This is Jen.
I'm Jen. Nice to meet you guys.
We are walking back to the dorms, right? I think so.
Yes.
We just had like some really long orientations.
We have another one at 2.
I didn't know that. Oh god. All right. Well, we also need to get food. I know we did just eat it, but like it was like small. You're supposed to eat a big lunch and a small dinner. We don't eat till like 9 p.m.
That's true. But it's already.
Oh, hello there, and welcome to our humble abode. Okay, so this is our bathroom, our shower. We need to like get an organizer and stuff. And this is our little kitchen. We need to get dish soap. It's quaint but cute. And then this is our fridge and freezer and Jen's immense amount of clothes. And her suitcase. And then mine. Oh, and I added little lights. Ta-da. And then desk area, table, window, beds. Tiny freaking beds and window. Yay! This one's mine. Okay, yeah. Wait, there's like a scary woman smiling. My name is on the map. We're at a bar, like 30 minutes. Oh man, I did not know that. I'm like a medium weight. I go to SDSU, so.
Okay, so like where you're at, and then me being a lightweight, we're both gonna be real bad.
All right, let's do it. This is spicy alcohol.
Okay.
We did not think this through. Wait, that's really good though.
I really like that.
It's like Fireball. What is it?
But it's not Fireball. It's not. It's like there's more
It's
cinnamon
good.
in it. I taste more cinnamon.
Hey.
Hey.
Yes, we are. Oh my gosh. But my voice is still gone. And we're late, but hopefully we make it. He got us a free bottle service, so let's hope this works out.
I think we're the closest to
Hey! We are at Park Guel, and
It's gorgeous.
yeah.
Stop every 2 seconds to take photos.
Oh my gosh, yeah. But we're headed to the most famous spot, I think. Although I don't know if we know where we're going. Now I'm tired. Let's go.